Baguio Flower Festival. Yung 30th celebration natin ngayon, ano pong special? What changes have you done? And what can we look forward to in this 30th celebrations?
Well, on this 30th Panagmula Festival, there are innovations that our hardworking committees had introduced. Yung presentation ng culture, even yung sa street dancing parade, and yung crisis of the float to parade, a lot of you has been already from, and if you look at the lineup of activities for 2026 30th Panagmula Festival, you will notice some of the innovations that have been introduced by, of course, the Baguio Flower Festival Foundation through its hard-working different committees.
Yes.
Kasi si Congressman Dulong that started part of the journey from the very beginning of the 30th celebration.
In this span of 30 years, dyan lagi si Congressman Dumogan looking over, yung watching over the Baguio Flower Festival. So nakita niya nung humble beginnings niya. So speech nga ni Congressman Grilling discussed the humble beginnings of the Baguio Flower Festival to what it is now in this 30th celebration. Yes, you wanted to add something, sir?
Yes, it's really inayos sa remembering those who were with us. A lot of them had gone already the other side of life. But fortunately, Panagmula, which was conceptualized in 1995, this is stayed with us. It has even grown to this magnitude that we did not expect when we founded it 31 years ago. It had been worth remembering a lot of the stages that we have undergone, especially in funding Panagmula to sustain it when the CDA stopped its contribution. It really gave us a very hard time, but fortunately, again, as we said in our message, with the teamwork and cooperation of everybody, we are able to address that impact our capacity, and it has grown as we have been today. So, words are not sufficient to really thank those who have been with us, nurture the Flower Festival for many years up to this time. We were coordinating with the different government departments, even the private sectors. Well, what has been the factor that made this festival still existing today is, again, the willingness and the dedication of all of us people to really say that this is our festival, not only your festival, it's ours. Even the kids, the different elementary schools. I can remember one parade which had been done in the afternoon when we were rained out. And I canceled the participation of the young kids who were in their native costumes. But you know, the government will say, why are you stopping us? Allow us show what we have been practicing. That shows how even our own children have adopted this as their own. They are really proud na ito ang ating festival.
Thank you very much, Congressman. Budoy,